Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can generate a backup in DirectAdmin paid hosting. Let's get started. Go to your DirectAdmin panel URL, enter your username and password to log in. In the DirectAdmin dashboard, use the search bar and type create/restore backups. Click on create/restore backups from the results. You will see a list of your domains. Select all domains or the specific one you want to back up. Scroll down and click create backup. Wait a few moments while DirectAdmin generates the backup. Go to File Manager in DirectAdmin. Open the Backups folder, usually /backups or backup. You will see the backup file you just created. Download it to your computer for safekeeping. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have found this helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel.